Hi students. On this video, we are going to come across simple solvation on profit and loss appropriation account. So here it is a new format to be followed, very simple format, and it is very important for your 6-mark questions. It's also opted for 6 marks for your board examination. So let us see how the question is. Question number 29. Let us read it. Rahul and David commenced the business with capital investment of rupees 80,000 and 60,000 respectively on 1st April 2015. They agreed to share profits in the ratio of 3:2. For the year ending 31st March 2016, they earned a profit of rupees 24,000 before allowing interest on capital 6% per annum. Annual salary to David rupees 5,000. Interest on drawings of Rahul is 1,500 and David is 1,000. Partners drawings of Rahul is 15,000 and David is 10,000. You are required to prepare profit and loss appropriation account of the firm. So here profit and loss appropriation account is a very simple account which could be made by us just by observing once the sum which is going to be done on this video. So just observe it, follow the steps properly. It's just as per the format. See the items that has to be taken under the particulars of debit side and credit side, and that will help you to just do it with your efficiency as well. So let us see how the solutions are going to be calculated. Coming to the solution of question number 29, profit and loss appropriation account, I want you people to recall the ledger account format. Debit side, particulars, single amount column. Credit side, particulars, single amount column. So now we are going to do the sum as per the format. So it's easy for us to recall your format once when you see the question. It's very simple. So first, going for the first account to see under this inner column, by profit and loss account, the net profit brought down. This actually tells about the profit earned by the company. Here, for this particular question, they have given the profit earned. So we are taking it on the credit side. Any income should always come on the credit side of the concerned profit and loss appropriation account. So the net profit by the firm is 24,000 here. Moving on to the second step, we have by interest on drawings account. Be very clear, it is not drawings of partners, it is interest on drawings. So interest on drawing is the one which is being paid by the partners to the company, which means the company is receiving in something which comes in is going to be income again. So take it on the credit side. So interest on drawings of Rahul and David, it's given directly. So I have taken it as it is. So when they give percentage, you need to go for calculation. If they have given the values directly, you need not wait. You can just take it as it is. So the total amount I get 2,500. Now, always the two items that you are going to consider on the credit side of profit and loss appropriation is just observe the net profit brought down, which means profit and loss account. Interest on drawings account. So these two. You might have a question, when it is a net loss, what should we do? So let us see such type of question on the next video. Moving on to the debit side now. We have first to interest on capital account, which means the company need to pay some interest on the capital invested by the partners. So we are going to check up what is the amount paid to Rahul and David as the interest on their capital. So Rahul has invested 80,000 and the rate of interest given by the company is 6%. So we get 4,800. Take it in the inner column. So the total we can take in the amount column. Next, David have invested 60,000 and the percentage rate is 6% as interest on his capital. We get 3,600. So the total of this gives us 8,400. So I've just done it. Next, moving on to David's salary. They have given annual salary to David. So David's salary annual in the sense take as it is. They have paid him for the whole year. So suppose if they give in a question per month 5,000, in that case take 5,000 in the inner column, okay, within the bracket and multiply for 12 months. In a year we have 12 months, right? So if that instruction is given, you're going to just follow that step. So here there is only annual salary, so I've taken the value directly. So I guess only so much of instruction was given. Apart from this, nothing else you're going to consider. Be very clear. After salary, you also have a commission. Any commission paid, you have to take it. So here we have only 4 items to be considered. Which side is greater? Just observe both the side, debit side and credit side. Which side is greater? I guess credit side is greater with 24,000 and 2,500. That gives us a total of 26,500. So I have taken the credit side total. Which side is greater? Take that as a total. So now I've taken 26,500 as a total. Now from this, you have to minus these two values because the overall income is 26,500. From this, we are paying interest for the partners and the salary to one of the partner. So when this is paid, the balance amount left out is 13,100. So this 13,100 has to be transferred to partners capital account. So how are we going to transfer this 13,100? Based on their profit and loss ratio, distribution ratio. So let us see. Rahul and David. So now taking up for Rahul 13,100 and David. Now go for the question and just observe once what is the rate of profit sharing ratio given for them. The profit sharing ratio given is 3:2. So the total is 3/5 and 2/5. So they have given 3:2. When you add 3 plus 2, you get 5. So that will be the denominator. Now just calculate this and you find out the amount of profit to be distributed among these two partners. I get 7,860 for Rahul and 5,240 for David. So I just want you people to calculate and check whether you got the same answer. And this is the actual net profit transferred. So I'm just going to write it in the bracket. Net profit transferred. Which account are we transferring to? Partners capital account. So you always leave a space. Have no space here. So I've just filled with the space that is sufficient for me. So now we have completed with the profit and loss appropriation account. I guess it's clear to view.